In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving trigonometry, derivatives, or differentiation using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you guys that you'll be able to deal with problems involving trigonometry, derivatives, or differentiation using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds, especially for multiple choice questions. So ensure you stay with me till the very end of this video. You're going to learn a lot, guys. Alright, so before we bring the calculator, let's quickly look at the questions we have here we are going to use to practice with. Alright, so question 1 here says differentiate the function y equals cos theta over sin theta with respect to theta. These are the options. Question 2, differentiate the function y equals 3 sine in bracket 4 minus 5x with respect to x, and these are the options. Alright guys, very simple questions. Now let's get the TI-84 plus scientific calculator now and go into the details. Okay, so this is the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now guys, the very first thing you have to do will be to reset the calculator. Very important. The essence of doing this is to put your calculator in default mode to remove whatever previous value you must have stored on it. So to reset it, all you have to do is to press this second button, then press this plus button, then press 7 for reset. 1 to reset all you press 1. Alright, then press 2 to reset it, and it will reset all RAM cleared. Okay, so press this clear button. Now guys, the next thing you have to do is to ensure that the calculator is in radian mode. Very important guys. By default, this TI-84 plus scientific calculator used to be in radian mode, but if yours happens to be in degree and you want to switch it to radian, all you have to do basically is to, for instance, if you check here is in radian, if yours is saying degree here, all you have to do is to press the mode button. Alright, then you go down using this navigation button to this place within radian. At the right you see degree. If yours is on degree, all you have to do is to switch it to radian by pressing the left arrow key. Okay, once you do it, you press enter. Alright, and it will change to radian. It will change from degree. If yours is showing degree, it will not change from degree to radian once you press enter. Alright, so it's as simple as that guys. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's go back, press clear. Now the next thing you're going to do will be to store a number, which is very important guys. For solving derivative questions with using the TI-84 plus calculator, whether it is involving trigonometry or not, you have to store a number, alright, of which I highly recommend 2. The essence of using 2 is because I have practiced with it for a very long time and I have not found any error with it. Now you can choose to experiment with any number you want, but I highly recommend 2 guys. And this number we are storing it to use it to differentiate the question, and then use the same stored number to evaluate or simplify our options to get the right value or correct answer for our question. Alright, so to store 2 on this calculator, all you have to do is to press the number first 2. Once you do it, press this STO button, stands for store, then press, I want to store it as X. You press this button for S to come out. Okay, once you do it, press enter. It will indicate that this value 2 has been stored as X on this calculator. So we are good to go guys. Let's clear this. Let's look at the question once more. It says differentiate the function y equals cos theta over sin theta with respect to theta. Now guys, let's differentiate this question. Alright, this note I have here, I'm going to explain something here when we get to the application of this note we have here, but let's differentiate first. Alright, okay, so to bring out the derivative function, just press alpha and this window button. So derivative is option 3. Okay, so you put x here, d over dx, very important. Press this button for x, then in these brackets we have is The function is in fraction. So to bring on the fraction button, firstly press this alpha and trace button. So once you do it, you see fraction here. You press this y equal to button. Once you do it, you press 1. Okay. Alright, so we have fraction sign there now. So you impute, we have cos. So you have to replace theta with x, where theta equals x. Okay, so we'll be replacing theta with x. So we have cos x, close the bracket. Alright, over. Then we have sine x. Instead of sine theta, we have sine x. So we close the bracket. We are good to go. Then we'll come over to this place and put the 2 restored. Alright, put 2 here. Okay guys, we are good to go. So let's press enter and see what we're going to have as an output. So we have minus 1.209. Right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us minus 1.209 will basically be the answer to this question. It's as simple as that, guys. So let's begin with option A. So option A says minus sine square theta. Okay, minus sine square theta. To do it, you are going to, now guys, if you press this negative sign button here, it's going to start with answer. Alright, so this is not the right negative sign to make use of. Just clear this. The right one to use is this one here. Just press it because it's not meant to start with answer for you. Just press this one. So we have minus sine square theta. This is how you're going to present it now on this calculator. You press x, close the bracket, then put your square. Alright, so minus sine s in bracket square is the same thing as minus sine square theta. If you do anything outside here, guys, what I've done, you're going to get a wrong value. Another way you can do it here, if you don't want to follow this pattern, is to do, because minus sine square theta means sine theta times sine theta. It's either you do this way or you do minus sine x times minus sine x, you get the same value. So if you press enter now, we have minus 0.826. No, so this is the wrong option. Alright, we got minus 1.209. Okay, so let's check option B and see what that's going to give us minus 1.209. Let's clear this. So option B says minus cosec square theta. Now guys, there's no cosec on this calculator. This is the reason I noticed something here. Now in trigonometry identity, cosec is the same thing as 1 over sine, sec is the same thing as 1 over cos, and cot is the same thing as 1 over tan. Alright, since there is no cosec, there is no sec, there is no cot on the calculator, we are going to be replacing them with 1 over sine, 1 over cos, 1 over tan respectively. Since we are dealing with cosec in this question 1, we are going to replace cosec with 1 over sine on the calculator. Alright, so it's as simple as that, guys. When you meet sec, replace it 1 over cos. When you meet cot, replace it with 1 over tan, and you'll be good to go, guys. Okay, so right now let's simplify 1 over sine, since we don't have cosec and it starts with negative sign. So it's going to be, in this option B, it's going to be minus. So in fraction now, bring our fraction button, press alpha, this trace button, fraction, you press this button, then press 1. Okay, so minus cosec square theta, that's minus 1 over sine. Okay, remember we're having square here, so you're going to put x first, close the bracket, then put the square. We are seeing here minus cosec square theta. You put your square at the denominator. Okay, so put the square here. Alright, so this is exactly what we have here for option B. The theta was replaced with x here in sine x. Okay, so let's press equal to now or enter to see if you're going to have minus 1.209, and that would basically be the answer to this question. Minus 1.209 exactly. So guys, this is the answer to this question. feel free to check option D, but I know that you get the wrong value when you check it. The correct option is what option B. It's as simple as that, guys. Hope you learned something interesting. Now guys, before you start question 2, if you are just new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also, like, share and comment on this video, guys, to tell me how you feel for what I've learned. I really appreciate that, guys, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video the more to enough people out there to notice it. I really appreciate that, guys. Okay, so let's clear this and solve question 2. I'm making progress. So question 2 says differentiate the function y equals 3 sine in bracket 4 minus 5x with respect to x. Okay, so interesting. Let's bring out the derivative function. We press alpha, window button. Derivative is what? Option 3. Okay, so you put d by dx, press x here. Alright, so we have y equals, so we have 3, okay, sine 4 minus, okay, 5x. Alright, so guys, you have to balance the bracket, very important. We have 2 brackets at the left, we have 1 at the right. So to balance it, you close this bracket, very important. So it's not balanced, 2 at the left and 2 at the right. So you go back this place and put the 2 restored. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's press enter and see what we're going to have. So we have minus 14.40. So right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us minus 14.40 will be the answer to this question. Let's clear this. Okay, so let's evaluate or simplify the options now. So option A, we have it to be 15 cos in bracket 4 minus 5x. So we have 15 cos in brackets 4 minus 5x. Alright, press enter. 14.40, no, we got minus 14.40. So basically this option A is similar to this option B. The difference is here is the negative sign. So the answer basically to this question will be option B. Okay, since it has negative sign, the two values in the options are the same. The difference is just this negative sign. So basically the answer will be option B, since they were having negative sign. Okay, so guys, this is it. Let's check option C and see what's going to give us. But I know we are going to get the wrong value. So we have 3 cos, okay, 4 minus 5x. Okay, close the bracket. 3 cos 4 minus 5x. Alright, press enter. No, so our answer is option B, guys. So it's as simple as that. This is basically how you can deal with problems involving trigonometry derivative using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Alright, hope you find this video interesting. Let's call it a video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, sure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I've learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question asked regarding what I've explained or taught in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright guys, don't forget to restate once you are done. All you have to do is to press the second button, then press this plus button, press 7 for restate. Alright, want to reset all one, press 1, then press 2 to reset. So it will reset all one. Okay, I'm cleared. You're good to go, guys. Thanks for watching. Now click on the end screen above and I'll see you in my next video.